Hey guys, we're back on the project, the IROC, the 84 Camaro. So we have our Eastwood single stage Boulevard Black. We're just in the wet sanding process, so we're using the DA with a soft interface pad. We've been stepping it up. Now we're at 15. We started at 1,000, 12, 15. We'll go to 2,000, and then we'll do a buff on it. So we're gonna go 15, and it's wet dry. Get yourself some soapy water. That's all this is, a couple drops of dishwashing liquid and water with a hole in the water bottle. And we're gonna start buffing this out. So we're just gonna show you now. I'm gonna give some water and then we'll do some buffing. Okay, make the hood wet. We're looking for that, just making everything smooth.
Alright guys, Norton Ice polishing with a wool pad.
So we'll start with our wool and then we'll go to our foam pads. So we're gonna see, this is after 2,000 wet sanding. Put it on 5 or 4, whatever your buffer around there. Yep. second pass. Let me get a microfiber.
Okay guys, this is on to step 2. As you can see, the paint is coming out better and better. We still have some imperfections that we're gonna have to deal with, but that'll be in a later video. You see the reflection. Overall, it's not too bad considering there wasn't a spray gun used. Okay guys, so we just made his final pass. There are obviously still some imperfections, but if you do give it a good look, you can see that for a brush and roll-on paint job, the reflection is there. You really can't argue with the results from looking at it, from especially with what this hood was originally and the amount of sanding and Bondo that's in it. For being a stock hood with a roll-on paint job, you can't argue with it. It's still definitely inside of the experimental stage because these products are not exactly meant to be used in a brush-on or roll-on application. But we will give you more and more updates, and we will take this experiment further and further until the point of where you can get near show car finish. But for right now, doesn't look too bad with what we got so far, but definitely more to come. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know any questions, concerns, or anything you'd like to see in the next video for us to talk about. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.